Hello everyone, my name is Abu Bakr Salim and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to perform some operations on 2D array. So the first operation that we are going to do is that we are going to add the elements of two 2D arrays. Like we have done in mathematics, we can add two matrices or we can add three matrices, but there is a condition that we have to remember that whenever we have to add two matrices, the one thing that matters is the order of two matrices, and the order should be same. For example, we can add two matrices with the same order of 2, but we cannot add two matrices of different orders. One contains the order of 2 and the other contains the order of 3. So this is the rule that you have to remember in 2D arrays also. So we can do it using uh, nested loop, obviously, but the first thing that we have to do is we have to create two arrays. The first array is a, and I'm going to assign it a size of 3 comma 3 3, and then the second array is b, and I'm going to assign it 3 3, and I'm going to create another array, and I'm going to name it sum. So we'll be assigning it the size of 3 comma 3. So we have done it so far. We have created three arrays. The first one is A, the second one is B, and the third one is C. And you have to remember one thing, that the order of all these arrays should be same if you want to add these arrays and if you want to assign the value in the third array. So now I'll be creating a nested loop. Int I is equal to 0, I is less than 3, I plus plus, for int j is equal to 0, j is less than 3, j plus plus, and this loop has been created to assign values to the first array. So enter array element and scanf. I'm just making this program interactive. You could also do it, but if you don't want to do it, you can ignore it and you can just use scanf statement. But it's my habit now, I can't stop it, guys. So the next thing is, yeah, percentage a I j. So this is how we will assign a value in first array, then we will assign the value in second array. So we will do that by just replacing a with b, and then we have to create another nested loop, and in this nested loop we will add the values. So for that I am going to use sum, and sum I j is equal to a I j plus b I j. So now I have added the value of a and b, and I'm going to print the result as well. Print f percentage d space and then yeah, so some I j. We'll print this. One more thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to print a new line to just change the format of the output. So that new line will be using this. And now I'm going to run the program. So the first message that I'll see on the screen is enter array element. So let's suppose it's 2, then 4, then 1, then 2, then 3, 1, 5, 6, 1, 2, 5, 9, 8, 7. Okay, there are so many inputs. So now you can see the output is in the format 7, 9, 10, 10, 10, 6, 10, 11, 2. Uh, let's make this less confusing by doing this so that we can have an idea of the output. So let's again run the program. So the first element of first array, then 2, 1, 8, 7, 9, 6, 5, 11. So these are the 9 inputs for the first array, and then there will be 9 inputs in the second array as well. So now you can see that the output is 8, 11, 8, 16, 12, 15, 9, 6, and 30. Similarly, you can find the subtraction as well just by replacing the sign minus. Uh, so these are the basic calculations that you can perform. There are some other calculations that we will learn in the upcoming videos, and I'll make some separate videos for different difficult projects of 2D array and 1D array in the upcoming time. So that's it for the 2D array for now. If there is any question, you can ask me in the comment section. You can also search for different technical problems related to 2D array and 1D array, and you can solve them to increase your problem solving and programming skills. And if there is any question, you can again, I'm saying that you can ask me. And if you have liked the video, please subscribe the channel.